Keep standing for the NSS song, please. All over the place by lighting the lamp. May now invite the dignitaries on the stage to come over to light the ritual.
Open all windows. Lakshmi Prabha, NSS coordinator, our parent university body, participating institutional program officers, and finally, vice principals, deans, the members from the officials from the RT, Chennai, above all, you the gifted and selected lot of students of 3-4 states, 200 students from Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. For the past 10 days, this institution had a lot of lights, energy, enlightenment only because of the selected lot of the students of various grades and the gifted program officers. As our Vice Chancellor rightly mentioned, you are the gifted Vice program officers and the students among more than 3 crore volunteers. It's a very rare chance, and we, the Calgary College, our management is very magnanimous, very simple. We have given enough facility to let our students enjoy here. I thank this juncture our management for extending this wonderful opportunity. Totally get supported. Dr. Meera's youth, faculty in charges of various committee, along with the program of various grades. We have done excellent job with God Almighty. Our students are not fallen sick except one or two. It's a very rare because climate is changed also from first grade to here. A lot of problems we faced, but with God's grace, you have right stay and good food and right choice also for selection. In this juncture, I am very happy to welcome our guest, Dr. Ganesan, the former NSS coordinator of Bharatidas University and the current Vice Chancellor, Swami Nayak, Registrar, Bharatidas University. Welcome you, sir. The pleasure is mine to welcome Professor Dr. Liaison Officer, Tamil NSS Secretary. Welcome you, sir. I am greatly honored to welcome our Secretary, Mr. Trivedi. Welcome you, sir. And very importantly, welcome Mr. Sai Ram. He is an instrumentalist and a very grand personality to have this 10-day program, a strict officer. He suits for NCC, not for NSS. On behalf of the management, all of you here, I would like to welcome Mrs. Saira. Welcome, you, sir. I am very honored to welcome our NSS only women coordinator from Bharatidas University and the recipient of the National Best Program Officer Award, Dr. Lakshmi Prabha. Welcome, madam. I welcome our faculty and the program officer and the course that is camp coordinator, Dr. Meera. Welcome, Meera. I welcome our members of the College Government Council, Hostel Committee, members of the teaching and non-teaching, and all the relevant program officers, and all the contingent students, and above all, the present meeting. Once again, I would like to welcome you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the warm welcome. May I now invite Dr. S. Jayesh Yadav, UG Head and Associate Professor, Department of English, College of Literature, to introduce our chief guest to the gathering.
A very good morning to one and all gathered here. It's with great pleasure that I stand before you to introduce our valedictory function of the 10-day NSS South Zone Pre-Public Day Parade program. Dr. A. Ganesan, who currently holds a distinguished position of Registrar at Bharatidas University. Dr. Ganesan's remarkable journey in academia, administration and research has left an indelible mark in his institution and the field of economics. With 21 years of dedicated teaching experience and an impressive research career spanning 29 years, Dr. Ganesan is a beacon of knowledge and expertise. Throughout his tenure, he has played pivotal roles in various administrative capacities, including as finance officer in charge of Bharatidas University, head of the Department of Economics, along with being the coordinator of the NSS, and his invaluable contribution appreciate women involved in sanitation and hygiene. Research interests are extensive in the field of agriculture, development, and health economics. His scholarly journey is further underscored by a prolific publication record, both in national and international journals. He is also involved in several funded projects that have substantially contributed to the body of knowledge in these fields. I would like to mention a major research ongoing project under ICSSR to the tune of 9 lakhs titled Impact of Swachh Bharat Mission on Improving Sanitation Facilities in Tamil Nadu. Under the UTC research appointed for the project related to access to water, sanitation and hygiene, WASH, in urban and pre-urban areas in Tamil Nadu, the sanction amount was rupees 3.93 lakhs. He has successfully completed the Bhattidasan University's NSS WISH project funded by the BEL CSR initiative with a budget of 57 lakhs 18,333 rupees. That is a huge amount. So because of his accomplishments, which extend beyond the classroom and research laboratory, he is the recipient of at National College by Birmingham, and their daughter is a promising young doctor. Thus, with outstanding academic excellence, extensive research record, administrative acumen, and a strong commitment to societal welfare, above all for being a wonderful human being, it's a true honor for us to have a very young as a chief guest for this momentous occasion. Welcome, you, sir. Very honored to introduce you.
Without integrity and honor, having everything means nothing, says Robert Sharma. It is now time to honor our chief guest. May I now call the Great London, Secretary Horticultural Council, County College for Women, to honor our chief guest of the day, Dr. L. Ganesan, Registrar, Bhattidasan University. May I now invite Shri S. Saurabh, Regional Director, NSS Government of India, Chennai, to honor Professor Dr. N. Senthil Kumar, State NSS Officer, Tamil Nadu, State NSS Cell, Chennai, to honor Dr. Senthil Kumar. May I now call one competent leader and one student volunteer from each state to give their valuable feedback. First, I would like to call Tamil Nadu, followed by Puducherry, Kerala and Karnataka.
Myself, Dr. P. Kalpana from DG College, Chennai. I am representing the University of Madras and the entire Tamil Nadu region. The most respected dignitaries on the dais and of the dais, and my dear contingents from Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karnataka and Kerala, and all the contingent leaders. It's my gratitude to express my gratitude. There is no words. 10 days journey was very smooth. It's all because of them. It's only 2 minutes, so here I wish to thank, or on behalf of the entire Tamil Nadu, I wish to thank various persons who are doing the show. I express my sincere thanks to the Secretary of the Institute, the management for supporting us, and I would like to express my sincere thanks to Sri Sairam sir, the captain of our ship, who was behind us. He was very responsive to all the queries and very kind-hearted person. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to express my thanks to the Iron Lady of this college, the pillar of support, Dr. Sujata ma'am. Without her, nothing is possible. Motherly care we were getting, receiving throughout our journey. Thank you so much, ma'am. Then I would like to express my thanks to Leela ma'am, the camp coordinator. Any time before and during the 10 days, she was helping us out. It was 10 o'clock night or 11 o'clock night, and we didn't have any hesitation to call her. Not only for us, even for all the volunteers, any time ma'am was with us throughout our journey. Thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to express my thanks to the people from Regional Directorate, the Whistle Man, and all the team members. Natarajan sir was very Srinath sir, Kuran sir, everyone on behalf of the entire team. Then special thanks to the NCC coordinator, Kavita ma'am, who was helping us students in the parent session, and Lady Shakila ma'am, who made us very fit, not only volunteers, and myself, and family leaders also. One small suggestions from our part, sir, like how you add training for a parade session. You have 2% to train our volunteers in the parade session. It's just a suggestion. Why can't you have 1 or 2% to train them for the cultural event also before they go for the selection process? It is just a humble suggestions. That's all in my end. Thank you so much. I will really miss Kaveri College. Kaveri College has become my college right now. Thank you so much for all the advice.
The principal of Kaveri College, Dr. Sita Charan, and Dr. Neela ma'am for giving this wonderful camp experience. I thank so much to Natarajan sir and Rajkumar sir, Paul sir, and Paul sir for helping and arranged so much things in this camp. Thank you so much. NSS Kavita ma'am. So that's a very good job. I especially thank you very much. I would like to thank the Kaveri College for ensuring safety in their entire journey, especially in this camp. I feel very, so that made me to feel very comfortable. And I would like to thank the principal madam of Kaveri College. I have never seen a principal ma'am giving this much of importance to NSS, culturals, and everything. So, and then I would like to thank Dr. Neela ma'am. We have created so many, like, I don't know say how. Like, we have created so many, we have tortured you literally, and you have, you took it, everything without patience. You heard everything and you solved it now and then. So thank you so much, ma'am. And I would like to thank the 2 persons from battalion, NCC battalion, Ganesh sir and Mango sir and Dr. Kavita ma'am, who trained our volunteers throughout full dedication. Dr. Ganesh sir especially, he's the one who trained our Tamil Nadu and Puducherry contingents with full dedication. And then I would like to thank Natarajan sir. Sir, we will be missing your presence for the business of this recording, and we will definitely be missing your laughing sound. And I would like to thank Rajkumar sir and Paul sir, who is working tirelessly beyond the scenes. He was beyond the scenes. And I would like to thank the workers in the hostel who treated us as we are at 6 in the morning, which made us to be energetic throughout the day. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I would like to thank all the NSS volunteers, and we will be missing you all, and we will be cherishing this moments in our life maybe later. Thank you so much for creating all the memories, and thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you.
From NSS contingent leader, everyone said. So I'll not go for repetition by wasting time.
And Mike sir.
I'm the last batsman here from all the teacher contingent leader. So whatever they have told, I'll not repeat whatever left. That I'm going to mention. Yatra Nagyastu Pujyante Tatra Devata. Ellargu Namaskara, Vanakkam, respected dignitaries on the dais, esteemed contingent leaders, beautiful, young and energetic NSS contingents. A very pleasant good morning to each and everyone. Good here. I feel very proud standing over saying smiling face, charming faces of various achievers of different NSS contingents and NSS contingent leader, the management, the principal of this college who is ever ready for everything, every support in each and every step during this NSS South Zone Pre-Army Parade Camp 2023. This is Dr. Pratibha K.S., a proud Karnataka contingent leader, came here with other two contingent leaders with 60 NSS contingents. First of all, a big congratulations to all the young energetic contingents for being a part of this NSS South Zone Pre-Army Parade Camp 2023. May I have a big round of applause for yourself and for your parents for coming for this particular parade camp. I hope and believe that students have learned in this particular special camp so many skills during the flag host, might be physical fitness session, or maybe during career training, or maybe during academic session, or maybe during cultural session, or while having food together. They may teamwork. That's why we are all beautiful ladies and girls, very healthy and energetic because of grace of Sujata Madam. Yes, isn't it? Say yes or no? Almost all are healthy. Nothing happened to anyone, that to girls. We are always girls, whenever they come out from their hometown, they will be sick and something will be happening, but all are very healthy and energetic. I believe this South Zone Pre-Army is a complete package of skills where students have imbibed so many skills for their excellence, maybe academic or maybe extracurricular activities. Totally, this NSS South Zone Pre-Army Parade was like experiential learning to end energetic contingents where all the contingents have learned in so many platforms, communication skills, how to communicate with their fellow mates, and Karnataka, maybe Kerala, or Tamil Nadu, or with NSS contingent leaders, or maybe with kitchen people, or maybe attenders, or maybe staff people, etc., etc. And also other than communication skills, even they have learned about problem solving skills, the interpersonal skills, creative thinking skills, how to manage stress. They have stress actually, but they learn how to manage stress because they should overcome from that. Because for that only they are here, to learn they are here. So in this platform I am putting in front of digital management that even they have learned how to manage with stress, how to cope up with emotion. There are so many emotions will be there. Some may listen to us, some may show regret, or some may reject. So Maybe Shakila ma'am, thank you so much for the physical fitness. Now please ma'am, Shakila madam. Then Natarajan sir, always we remember Natarajan sir, Vishnu and also he's the one who is making everybody move. Otherwise, we would have not gone to have our lunch or our dinner properly on time. If you won't reach hostel on time, what happens? Any workers, they have to finish our lunch, they have to complete our lunch, serving everything, then they don't have that much clean meal with them. That's why every time Natarajan sir, time sense, really everybody can take time. Not so move everyone, Vishal like. Instead like he made anything like within 5 minutes, everybody clear the soil and move to the hostel. They were within the hostel. So that time it was very peaceful. And also I want to thank Paul sir, very energetic man, Rajkumar sir, then Dharma sir, then our Nawaz sir, then Rawat sir, all technicians really good and coming from our NCC officer. Each and every corner we got only positive vibration people. Maybe a man, or maybe a woman, or maybe a girl, or maybe a lady girl, everybody are giving really positive vibrations. I would like to end by talk with the message. Bad habits form themselves. Good habits have to be cultivated. Weeds grow themselves and do not need a farmer. And grow themselves. Whereas seeds have to be cultivated by a farmer only. You are the seed, you need a trainer, you need a leader. Unconditionally bad habits will grow with you, but unconsciously bad habits will grow with you, but consciously you have to cultivate good behavior. Finally, I feel this college like a big temple with full of positive vibes, vibrations, which rejuvenated each and every one everywhere. I appreciate regional director, NSS Government of India, Chennai, for selecting this best college for girls accommodation and for the training. South Rotary Army College, Camp 2023. I would like to thank the organizers giving this great opportunity to share my experience.
Yes, that is coming into real life by Pratima ma'am. So thank you ma'am for choosing me to share my own experience. Firstly, I would like to say one thing. See, you will never have more energy or enthusiasm, hair or brain cells than you have today because we are experiencing everlasting. So there are a lot of emotions here. We are happy, we are sad, we are enthusiastic to go home, or we may miss these days. So I personally felt these 10 days were like 10 years of experience because one day spent were like we could experience more and more things. Maybe starting from our day with some enthusiastic exercises by maybe Shakila ma'am. I really enjoyed. I don't know how many of you have seen it. I experience that. Yeah, I'm happy now. So we used to start our day with that joy. So we had a good tea, hot tea. That was now that will become a habit now. When I go home, I can ask my mom to have a tea. So I used to drink milk, and that is there at night. We get hot milk. So whatever I wanted, that is there here. So that is a very good thing I love here in the camp. So ma'am has already thanked many persons here. So I have nothing to say at the end. But I learned language. One thing in Tamil Nadu, Tamil is Kunjam. When I used to go for having lunch, dinner, so I used to ask them Kunjam. So that is the thing. And Urumine. So I really felt that I'm connected to all other states too. Of course, Kannada is my language. I can never leave that. And I used to teach Tulu for many people. So that is the thing. I used to live in my world. Last but not the least, I would like to thank many people who actually increased my energy. Maybe Kavita, she used to actually come and say, you did good, you are looking good, everything. So I thank each and every person who congratulated me, who put in a lot of efforts to make cadets or make volunteers be When I came here, we were 60 friends. When I go back here, I will have 200 friends. I hope if at all you felt bad for me or if at all you felt that I have done wrong, so please forgive me and definitely do correct myself. And thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for everyone on and off the desk. Everyone will really patiently listen to any of our desires, any of our, whatever we ask for, we used to get that. So I would like to thank each and everyone here and hope I can meet everyone in the meeting. Thank you.
Some feedback from the institution. Thank you very much, first of all, Sairam, extending this wonderful opportunity. This is not the first time we are hosting program like this. Already I mentioned. We conducted one integration camp even before Bharadas University started. After our camp only they got a project in the hotel. And the NCC camp also they have done. During the